This is BRIVIDO DELLA CACCIA. This thing opens up with a astringent juniper berry with this very well blended mate accord, which is a super herbaceous. I don't get mate in many fragrances. This comes off as one of the most well blended fougere style of leather fragrances that I've ever smelled. Animalic birch tar that is just so sophisticatedly blended into this fragrance. This is the businessman's leather fragrance. Supple leather accords, ambery. The amber accord in this makes it sweet, along with that tonka that just brings up all the elements of the opening that stay with it, which is the mate and the coumarin. You wear this to the office, you will get compliments because of the sweet overtones that are placed in the air and the way it projects and gives you sillage. And to your nose, it's never boring. It's always going to be one that sticks around and has a development about it that is just, it's phenomenal. This is a great herbaceous, supple leather, woody, animalic scent that is sophisticated. And this is what I call the natural. This is one that doesn't need help at all. You put this on, it is a thrusting forward fragrance for anyone that is in a professional lifestyle and wants to wear a fragrance to work that is just powerful. And that is BRIVIDO DELLA CACCIA.